So we're live, I think. I hope we're live. Okay, so I got some kettle. I was trying to say that. With some hot water. We're trying to become more sensitive, guys. No tea, no coffee. Just pure hot water. Just hot water. That's what it is inside of this cup. Good. Trying to appreciate the small things in life. So hopefully the notifications are not going to come in too much. So I have to go to work in 17 minutes. So we're going to do this really fast. First of all, welcome to the stream, the channel. My name is Alexander Almayer, and here we code on tools to help students succeed in their learning journey, and we're bridging Notion and Anki to make it easier to convert your notes to flashcards, or to make the process of making flashcards easier, because why bother memorizing on paper when you can use Anki, an awesome remembering tool. Yeah, so let's look at our first pull request from Alp. So here on Visual Studio Code there is a sidebar thing where you can view pull requests, I think. And obviously it doesn't work. Exactly when we're going to show this stuff, it doesn't work. So it did work at some point when I was looking at it earlier. So let's shade back here to Firefox Dev, and then we'll review the pull request here. And add export as HTML warning. So here, Alp, thank you very much for submitting your pull request. We'll check out your profile later. So here's the first commit, and I like looking through the checks too. Looks like everything passed. So one cool thing with using Netlify here is we can actually preview. Let me fix something. I thought my green screen was fixed. I got a green screen, guys. In case you're wondering, I thought I had fixed this. I'm still learning. I have no idea what I'm doing. So let me put myself in the center of the camera. What do you think? Is this cool? Green screen. There. I think it works. I also have to fix up my eye. Like for some reason, my eyes, I think it's the reflection. Whatever. Let me save that in Twitch Studio. Hey Alp, I'm reviewing your pull request. Thank you very much for submitting your pull request. By the way, here's a tip you can do. When you have opened a pull request, you can just go on checks, and then you can preview how it looks like. Let me find the deploy preview here. So you can find, here's the preview. You're welcome. It's cool to get more people contributing in open source. Congratulations. I'm very happy my project is, or our project is the first one you contributed to. So I have no idea what's changed, so we have to look at the commit. So make sure you export your Notion page as strong HTML. Oh, nice, nice. You're using Imba syntax. By the way, did you know that you're using a different language now? So this is the programming language you're using right now. We're using the version 2. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's made in Norway, actually. Why is it not? Oh, this is the wrong server. There's so many servers, I don't remember this stuff. Let's see. Which one is it? But I don't quite see. Okay, so not sure. Why isn't this is the wrong server again? Okay, let me try to get on the right server. So the checks have passed. Which server is it? Is it this one? One header rule processed. Direct pages changed. You know what? This is too takes too much time. Let's just run it locally. Cool. Yeah, so it's an indentation-based language. So if you know Python, it's similar to that. But it's very powerful with regards to web development, and you can do some really amazing stuff. Let's open up the toggle integrated IDE and a terminal here. Yarn. I think it yeah, dev. So you only did something on the client side, so we don't need to run the whole server thing. We can go back to Firefox and then we'll just look at it locally. And of course, I forgot to check out the changes, didn't I? Yeah, I forgot to check out the changes. So let me do that. So I don't think this is going to be added immediately. So there is actually a trick we can use. If we go on Google and search add remote pull requests to local. I was going to use the VS Code plugin, but I forgot it. So here it says it. So if we go back to the... No, that's not it. I really should log into... let me just sign in here. Of course, let me keep my secret. So how are you doing, Alp? I'm just going to type in the two-factor authentication code. We have like 12 minutes before I have to go to work, so let's see. Hopefully we can merge this pull request. I would love to get it merged. Let's see. Come on, two-factor, send me the message. There. I shouldn't say the code out loud. There. Bam. Let me switch up the Twitch studio. Oh yeah, have you used LaTeX in notion2anki? Like we had some support for it, but I don't really use it. I'm gonna use it more in the future, but right now I haven't bothered. So here are all of the links I was talking about. You can see the Netlify stuff. Here's the preview. That's the one we want. We don't really care about everything else there. Just want the preview. Oh yeah, now I'm seeing my calendar notifications. It doesn't look like... Oh, this is the wrong server again. Which server is it? This is the wrong server. Let's just run it locally. Localhost port 8080. And I forgot to run it. Yeah, I forgot to build it. I think that's... No, wait. So early in the morning, I'm drinking hot water and I haven't had any coffee yet, so I have no idea what I'm doing. So let's click the command line instructions. And I believe it works as expected, but... Oh, well, sorry, I'm confusing myself. So you're saying the LaTeX stuff, it works as expected? That's cool, that's cool. Thanks for letting me know, because I was wondering about that. There was one guy who actually was using it. What is this? Let's stash that. Paste this all again. Okay, git show. There. And if we are run yarn dev now, I think it should work now locally, right? Okay, so let's see. Localhost. Mixing that up. 8080. Nice, good job. I can see it now. I don't know why it's not showing up in the preview on where is it? The preview here. But great job, man. Thank you for I forgot to remark it as a review. Great work. Thanks. And we have to have an emoji, of course, you know, we're emoji connoisseurs here. So I have like 8 minutes before I have to go to work. So I'm gonna enjoy this. So I don't know if you joined in the beginning, but I was saying I have some hot water. I boiled up some water earlier. This is just water. There's no tea, no coffee here. We're trying to become more sensitive for the small things. Oh my god, it was too hot. Have you tried drinking hot water? It's I'm drinking it because I can drink it, and it feels good to drink hot water too. Just hot water, nothing extra. Because I can't, one of the reasons why I'm not drinking coffee right now is that if you eat food and let's actually go on Wikipedia, iron consumption, coffee. There is a negative effect of coffee or caffeine can inhibit iron absorption. So I need something hot to drink, but I can't drink coffee because I just had breakfast not too long ago. So if I drink hot water, then I will have a hot beverage, and I don't want the caffeine stuff, right? So I want the iron. I want my body to absorb the iron because I need to recover. I did a track workout yesterday, if you remember. I'm still very tired in my legs. So if I drink caffeine, it will have a negative effect on the food I just ate with regards to iron absorption. I want the iron from the food. Otherwise, it's inefficient. I know it's weird when I'm saying this stuff out loud, but it works. So yeah. So 5 minutes. I have to get back, prepare myself for some work stuff. Thanks, Alp, again for submitting your first pull request. Feels good to have one more person who actually has changed the code now. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.